all human sounds from around the world. Scream. 8 out of 10. It is so loud and scary. I don't want to hear it. Bored. Chilly. 10 out of 10. It's so good. I don't know. Just jumping. 7 out of 10. So good. Hop jumping. Wee. 11 out of 10. I don't know what it sounds like, but it just what pop it. Ba 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 ba. I find that is 13 out of 10. It looks like it's so funny that I don't know. The Notebook. Out of 10. I don't know what that sounds like, but I thought it was getting better, but it did. Gatorade, 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 Gatorade. 4 out of 10. It's not that scary. I don't know. Okay. My yelling Norway. It sounds like a emergency fire alarm. That's what it sounds like. So that would be 52 out of 10. Go, go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, go, go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, go, go. It's only 2 out of 10 because he's saying let's go. It's not that because I'm not scared of that. So I made it 2. Jumping Jack. J jumping jump. J jumping jump. 5 out of 10. I don't know what it is. Heartbreaking. 8 out of 10. I don't know what it is. Dan, busted, and we hop to the other. And then we hop to the other. 10 out of 10. Thank you. I love it. 180. 180 is a number, a really big number. That's what the number is. 180. 180. Gatorade is the number 1 and 80. 180, 180, 181. 100 fingers and then 80 more. 180. 4 out of 10. I don't know what this. The end.